It's very seldom that I buy new products, and there's a reason for that, because there's almost always something that's not right about them, or they're defective, or they're made in China, or they're all cheap, or they break real quick, or whatever, what have you. I wanted to replace the light fixtures down here in the studio area because they're only plastic. Of course, that fan blade is in the way. They're only plastic and they're starting to crack. And so I want to replace them with ceramic ones. You can see the crack on this one right there. So I wanted to replace them with ceramic ones in case I ever want to put those Westinghouse high pressure lights in there. I don't know where one of them is now, but if I want to put one of those in there, I wouldn't trust those fixtures. So I went around and I went on the computer and I got some new light fixtures, so-called ceramic light fixture. I mean, what could go wrong? It's just a basic porcelain light fixture. What could possibly be wrong with it? So I buy the light fixtures. They come in the box here, and I pick it up and I said, "There's no way these are porcelain, because the box hardly even weighs like a pound or two, and there's supposed to be, I think, 8 of them in here." So I open it up. They're plastic. Porcelain. Nope, that's plastic. There's porcelain right here. And so I guess that qualifies the whole thing as porcelain. And then look at they're so defectively assembled that the screw isn't even in the right place. Oh, this one's not defectively assembled. This one was assembled correctly. These is plastic. You know? I guess it's pretty sturdy in there, but ugh. The plastic. And the wiring is all funny too. Like, I guess it's supposed to put the wires in there like that. Not even sure that's going to work in my use case, because it's a double wire box, because it's a 3-way switch, and there's 2 of them. So I don't think this is even going to work. So I'm going to have to do what I should have done in the first place, is go to the Habitat and hope that they have some older basic porcelain fixtures. Or I'll have to go on the stinking e-rip-off and spend a fortune on proper porcelain fixtures there. Because this is just ridiculous. And these are okay, they're not useless, but they're not what they're supposed to be either. And they're very, very cheap. I'm not sure I would even trust these with the weight of the high pressure sodium lights. Absolutely ridiculous. I just tested one of these out because I want to see if I can make them work, because they look kind of nice, nicer than what's there, and they don't even work. Something isn't designed quite right. I think my guess would be the threads are too high up and it never makes contact with the hot. So, what absolute pieces of junk. This is exactly why I try so hard to avoid buying modern products.